and a remarkable young woman not only for her exceptional talent, but her determination to make our city her home. I would like to introduce you to this extraordinary talent, Miss Isabel Nasser.
The phenomenon.
Stay tuned for scenes from our next episode.
A night at the museum turns into some very
Poor parents.